Good luck.
Yes.
Come here, come here. Joy. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. So good luck, you cannot spell book. This is assignment. They ask you to spell book and you cannot spell book. Eh? Spell book.
B.
So you want to tell me that all the school fees I've been paying, is for waste? Tomorrow morning, me and you are going to meet your headmaster. I want to know that your English teacher is very stupid.
Good day, sir. Please, how can I help you?
I am looking for the headmaster of this school.
I am the headmaster, and how can we help you?
Oh, you are the one. You are the headmaster. You're the one chopping all the big school fees I'm paying. All the money I'm paying in this school, you're the one chopping it. Hi. You're the one chopping the school fees, and yet this my boy here cannot spell book. Ordinary book that is holy cannot spell it.
Sir, please, calm down. Calm down. Good luck. Who is your English teacher?
Mr. Masha.
Mr. Masha? Masha! Masha!
Sir.
Come here.
Yes, sir. Good day, sir.
Yes. I guess you know these people.
Yeah, I know. This is my student, Good luck, and I think this is uncle.
Oh, you're the English teacher.
Yes, sir.
You're the stupid English teacher. You're the English teacher. You're the one teaching my son English, and yet he cannot spell book. Ordinary book that is holy, he cannot spell it.
No, sir. This your son is very stubborn. He can play so much in class when I'm teaching. He doesn't know anything. How will he say ordinary book? He cannot spell. Ordinary B-U-K book.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Masha!
Sir.
You mean you cannot spell book?
That,
Where did you keep the C? Book is B-U-C-K. B-U-C-K.
Thanks for watching this sweet comedy video. Please subscribe, like and share. Share with your friends. Don't be stingy. Please share. Please. Thank you.